Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject, Integrated Studies, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon. In our today's subject, we are going to discuss Chapter 1, Earth as a Living Planet, page number 19 to 23. Today we will study Chapter 1 of Integrated Studies, Earth as a Living Planet, page number 19 to 23. Human activities have affected the natural habitats, endangered animals, and extinct animals. First of all, objectives of today's lesson. Students will be able to explain how human activities are affecting the natural habitat and what are endangered and extinct animals. How can we save these animals? Let's start our lesson from page number 19. On page 19, we have a story about some animals living at beach and some people. In first picture, the beach animals were enjoying a lovely morning at beach. Then there came some people. When those people left the beach, the condition of beach was very dirty, that you can see in second picture. And the beach animals became sad to see the bad condition of their beautiful beach. That is clear in third picture. Hence, when an environment is made dirty or damaged, many living things may not survive. They may not be able to find food to keep themselves safe or have young because of the environmental pollution. Let's see what is pollution and what are the types of pollution. Pollution. When we make nature dirty, it is called pollution. Types of pollution. There are four types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Coming over to the types of pollution one by one. First one is the air pollution. The cause of air pollution are smoke of factories and smoke of traffic, etc. The other cause of the air pollution is deforestation, means the cutting of trees, because the trees breathe in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen and they clear our environment. But if we will cut the trees, there will be the shortage of trees and they will not be able to clean our environment completely. Next is the water pollution. The cause of water pollution are industrial waste and sewerage systems of the cities. When these polluted waters join to the rivers, running waters of the rivers and canals, they pollute the whole water and hence they damaged the aquatic habitats. Next is the land pollution. People throw wrappers and garbages and plastics, etc. These plastics do not get mixed in soil and soil became dirty. That is called land pollution. Next is the noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by the noise of factories, traffic, and different machineries working in different areas. The main or general cause of all pollutions is the overpopulation of the cities or the overpopulated cities. Endangered animals. Animals present in small number that it is at the risk of extinction are called endangered animals. For example, lion, panda, bear, markhor, Indus River dolphin, and green sea turtle, etc. Reasons are factors of the endangered animals. Number one is the deforestation. Due to cutting of the trees, the animals lose their homes and food. And the other reason is hunting. Some greedy people kill animals to sell the body parts of animals. For example, the elephant, crocodile, etc. Ways to protect endangered animals. How can we protect the endangered animals? We can discuss here. Cutting of the trees and hunting should be avoided. Rivers should not be polluted with wastewaters of factories. We should plant more trees. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should not throw litters on picnic spots, sea or in rivers. Extinct animals. When an entire species of animals dies out, that species is extinct. Once it becomes extinct, it is going forever. For example, dinosaurs, saber-toothed cat, and dodo bird. After having studied the lesson, we have been able to explain that how human activities are affecting the natural habitats, what are the endangered and extinct animals, and how can we save these animals. To have an idea about your understanding, I have three questions for you. One is define pollution. How many types of pollution are there? Second is how can we save endangered animals? Third is what is meant by term extinct animals? Thank you.